Tyler, what are you doing?
So here's the nice cleaned up carburetor bits. Here's the other carburetor not cleaned up.
Can you give a general update on the car and what's left to be done?
So everything's done. Nothing's left to be done except the carbs. We even got the new studs in, new gaskets for the carbs.
I'm excited to run the fuel lines. I have these brass fittings that'll basically tee off to each carburetor, which that'll be really fun to install. These are already Nathan's painted carbs. Absolutely immaculate looking. Compared to that, I mean, it's unbelievable, the quality. So I'm super excited to see the carbs with these brand new chrome filters, all nice and polished. Oh man, here's the list of basically just last things as I was putting the car back together, what to do. And the only thing left is carbs and fuel lines.
Doing your own oil changes. Never pay for brakes. Always do your own brakes.
I got aftermarket because the rims on my car have.
What's up, chat?
Fucking Steez.
Hey, what's
Cheers
up?
to the boys.
Cheers to the boys.
Chat, look, I'm building a carburetor right now.
Okay, wait, what's his user?
Nathan! What'd you do?
It's that.
Drunk, we're building a carburetor. I don't remember which way you guys are going.
The back one at all? The SU float?
No.
Alright. Still nothing. Interesting.
Well, back to square one, huh?
Weird. It's not working.
Yeah. So you did all the wiring harnesses?
See. So this would cable. Honestly, I think it is going to start. It doesn't have the cranking power, I think, is it? So, I'm gonna let it sit, let it charge up for a few hours and try again. Record stuff, chat. what's up, chat? Car is not wanting to start right now, which is irritating. It seems to me that it is something to do with the fuel system, because we're getting air, of course. We're getting compression. I tested the compression. We're getting spark at the right time. It's all timed and set up. I think the only problem is the fuel. Some of the stuff on the carburetor doesn't seem to be tightened down correctly because it's leaking, so we're not getting great fuel pressure. We're only getting like 2 PSI. I think we're supposed to be getting like 5. And it's just having trouble getting to the fuel. And also I've cranked it so much it can't really get going, you know, is the main thing. So I think I might just have to let the battery charge overnight and go for it in the morning, see what happens. Let's fucking go! Okay, I still got some work to do, but it sounds so much better. I'm so excited to show Nathan. Yeah, it sounds great. It's not back front anymore. I just had to advance it all the way. For some reason, I don't know why it was set up. Maybe it was when I did the oil pump, I might have aligned, because the oil pump also powers the distributor. So I reinstalled it, I might have reinstalled it just a little off. So I just basically turned the distributor until it was very advanced and then just slowly dialed it back. And now I'm at like, at idle, probably like at 3 degrees of before top dead center, which seems to be working really good. I still got to dial it a little more, but it's able to idle really smoothly at like 1,000. Goal is to get to like 800 nice idle, but I'll take 1,000 right now. That's really good. I'm super excited. I will update y'all whenever it is up and running, and then hopefully we can go for a drive today. Oh, the 1-2 looks so good. Look at that. Oh, it's so smooth. Dude. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Oh man, I'm so pleased we drove today. It's been so fun redoing the engine. I'm so happy with how it turns out. It looks great, shiny, it runs great. Just got a few things to figure out. But besides that, I'm so pleased with it. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate the help. If you knew anything about the needles, or the performance, the timing, please let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an excellent day.